it's like you don't give a fuck about those adjectives which are job, employee, entrepreneur, business. You just focus on work.
I will learn more in job just because I have left my job. I have clients and I have collaborated with the designing agency. So they are giving me clients and I have my own clients. So I am sustaining their clients. So they will the enough amount of money I will get from them. So I can utilize in future. That was I'm doing. But I'm confused. If I will do a job in a good digital marketing agency, so I will learn a lot. Just because right now I'm doing trying, failing, executing. If I don't,
it's okay. So do a job. What's stopping you from taking a job?
Sir, in that time, like 1 or 2 years, if I will learn from job, so I will expand my own business, sir. In that 2 years, that was I was thinking.
Okay, so you have a confusion that if you give 2 years to somebody's company, then you can give that same time to your own business and grow your business. Is that the confusion which you're having?
Yes, sir.
That is the fucking confusion which you're having because you are reading some motivational posts in black and white carousel posts on Instagram, which says work for yourself, chase your own dreams. This is like you, because you are constantly consuming motivational posts on Instagram and everywhere. This is the reason why you are having that thought subconsciously. Okay. If I would have thought all these things, then I would have never done job for 8 years. Okay. The reason why I'm saying is because I have done it. So it is not a bad way. I'm not saying that you going for your own business for 2 years will be a bad way. No, I'm not saying that. If you have guts, if you have balls, go ahead. All right.
Yes, that I'm really doing right now.
Yeah. So keep on doing that.
Yes.
Second, number two, another thing which you should be focusing on, I don't know whether you have financial responsibilities or you have family responsibilities, whether you have to take care of your parents, what kind of background you come from. I don't know.
Yeah.
All right. When I took drops, I had all the responsibilities. So I couldn't take that risk of just jumping into some business.
Okay.
All right. I had responsibilities. It was not just me taking care of myself and my own food. It was me taking care of me and my family as well. Okay. Right. So at that point in time, I had to be practical and I'm like, okay, fine, I'll do job. And I enjoyed it. There was not a single day in my entire 8 years of my job that I hated my job. I always used to love my work. That's the reason why I don't care whether I will do a job in future if I go bankrupt or I'm doing Digital Pratik, which is my own work. I'm just enjoying my work. It's like you don't give a fuck about those adjectives which are job, employee, entrepreneur, business. You just focus on work.
Okay.
જોર વિચાર કરવાનું ને મોજમાં રહેવાનું. મોજમાં